Welcome to Flutter Teacher. In this tutorial, we'll see how to apply circular border to an image or CircleAvatar in professional way. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm going to use asset image. So I need to create a folder called images and paste the image inside it. Then we must configure this images folder in our perspective. Let's start from a new project. As a home, I want a widget called profiled image with border. So let's jump in this file and create a widget. Add a scaffold and apply simple blank above. I want to use center widget as the body, and inside this place a circle avatar. And as a background image, use the asset image from our images folder. Apply some radius and let's run it. Now it's time to apply border. There are several ways to do it. What I prefer is to wrap a circle avatar inside the container. And to make it circle, we need decoration as the box decoration with shape as box shape.circle. For the border, we need border.all. Let's use gray color with width of 3 pixels. Let's save it. It looks nice. Now to place a gap between image and border, we just need to use the padding for the container. So let's use 3 pixels padding from all the sides. Now save it and see the results. Wow, it looks so cool. That's it for this video. If you really found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.